Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kahil State People's Democratic Party kalapan kan mau biang bahkan Pyrshah abad ya Jingtih ya marpo khendau uranium hak jela Meghalaya hak jengkeran bikelat petai kubur hak sautrik untuk opera arja option u Presiden Joko Hspdp uba kipi pangjang ulong baka parti kala Pyrshah la slam banti ya uranium hak jela bad ulong ru baka parti kapun kan mau ikipat ba bayak sorkar jela bandong ya Jingtih uranium hak jela Meghalaya.
Regarding the uranium mining issue, we would like to only remind to the citizen of the state entirely and to the government that the Hspdp strongly and firmly we have put in the party manifesto that we will say no to the uranium mining in Meghalaya. Since Bahoping Stone Lengo, who is the founder president of the party, till date we stand strong, unitedly, collectively as a party, not to allow any mining exploration in the state of Meghalaya. That's our stand right at the beginning of the inception of the party till today, and in the near future also. And in future also. That is our stand. Actually, the issue of opposing the uranium mining in Meghalaya, time and again we have protested and we have opposed openly, and we would like to remind to the people of the state that the government of Meghalaya in 2016 during the ministership of Dr. Mukul Sangma, accordingly to the memorandum submitted by the Hspdp, the government at that point of time, they have decided to stop uranium mining in Meghalaya. So we stand by that decision of the government, and we just want to remind the present government that let us stand firmly, strongly what the previous government has already decided not to mine, not to explore uranium mining in Meghalaya. That is our stand and the decision of the government has taken already.